guys, if you want to learn how to make this super soft dye Play-Doh, then just keep watching. Start by adding 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of salt, and then 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, and then go ahead and mix that all together until the 3 compounds are combined. Then you want to start by putting a pan onto the stove about medium-high heat, then putting in about 1 tablespoon of canola oil or vegetable oil. Then you want to add in all of your dry ingredients and then about 1 cup of water. And then you just want to give that all a good stir until the texture starts to thicken up and feel more like Play-Doh. So then after stirring my mixture for about 2 to 5 minutes, this is what your Play-Doh texture should look like. Then you just want to put it on some wax paper once it cools, and then if you choose to color it, go ahead and do that. I'm using red to color mine a light pink. I also put on some latex gloves so I would not stain my hands red for the rest of the day. And yes, it does look like it's bleeding. So once I got my desired color, this is how the Play-Doh turned out to be like. It's super soft and squishy. In my opinion, this is probably one of the best Play-Doh recipes there is out there because it's super easy to make and it's not crumbly at all. So I hope you guys choose to try this recipe out.